In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Osnap settings in AutoCAD. If you've ever tried to click a point and ended up just a hair off, object snaps, often called Osnaps, are what make your cursor lock precisely onto meaningful geometry, like endpoints, midpoints, centers, and intersections. Getting these settings right is a simple tweak that can dramatically improve both your accuracy and your speed. To begin, go to the command line and type Osnap, then press Enter. You don't need to worry about uppercase or lowercase. AutoCAD will understand either way. As soon as you press Enter, the Object Snap Settings window will open. This is where you decide exactly what your cursor is allowed to snap to while you draw or modify geometry. Inside this window, you'll see a list of snap modes with checkboxes beside them. Checking a box enables that snap. Unchecking it turns that snap off. For example, enabling endpoint tells AutoCAD to look for the ends of lines or arcs, while midpoint finds the exact middle of a segment. Center helps with circles and arcs. Intersection targets where two objects cross, and perpendicular or tangent help align with specific geometric relationships. Choose the snaps that match the type of work you do most. If you draft a lot of mechanical parts, center and quadrant might be important. If you do architectural plans, endpoint, midpoint, and intersection are often essential. A helpful tip: avoid turning everything on at once. When too many snaps are active, the cursor can feel jumpy, and you might snap to the wrong thing in busy drawings. Start with a small set, like endpoint, midpoint, and intersection, and add others only when you need them. You can always come back to this window to adjust as your project changes. As you select snaps, imagine how you want your cursor to behave. Each time you hover over geometry in your drawing, you'll see small markers and tooltips that confirm exactly what's being targeted. That visual feedback is your assurance that your click will land precisely where it should. Once you've checked the boxes that fit your workflow, click OK to confirm your choices. AutoCAD remembers these settings, so your selections will persist as you continue working and the next time you open the program. That's all there is to it. By typing Osnap, choosing the snaps that make sense for your tasks, and clicking OK, you give yourself consistent, reliable precision throughout your drawings. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting.